Hello folks, this is your 11 p.m. edition of Tri-County Weather Service on this March 7th, 2019. Look at the weather headlines. Back to sunshine tomorrow. We'll see a lot of clouds, but we will see some breaks of sunshine. It will stay dry on Saturday. Saturday's probably pick of the week, or the weekend, I should say, with plenty of sunshine, wall-to-wall sunshine. Very few clouds, if any, and temperatures right around the freezing mark. And that will be followed by more sunshine on Sunday with increasing clouds. And then, of course, we'll see a wet Sunday night into Monday morning. And spring-like weather for next week is still forecasting some spring showers that could bring some May flowers as we get into next week with nice mild temperatures with a little bit of rain showers, a little bit of thunder, a little bit of snow, and a bit of sunshine. Take a look at the almanac now for today. -5 is your high. Wasn't very warm. -10 the low. -5 is the average low. So our high today was what should be the average low, and our average high is only +3, so very below the average today. Record high didn't get up there at 12 degrees. The record low -18. Current conditions still -8 in Yarmouth right now. We still got those wind chills running around -15, -16. with winds between 20 and 30 kilometers per hour. Take a look now at the radar. We do see a few isolated flurries picking up towards the valleys and Digby area. Otherwise, mostly ground clutter showing up on the radar here. A few flurries also being recorded at the Yarmouth airport, but not being shown at the radar here. So they're likely not falling to the ground. Take a look at the current conditions now from some personal weather stations across the Tri-Counties. -6 in Yarmouth with winds of 51 kilometers per hour. -7 in Hebron and Plymouth. -8 in Cannon. -6 in Pembroke. Tuscan -8. -6 in Port Bateman. -7 in South Ohio. Take a look at stations in Shelburne right now. In Shelburne County, we are seeing temperatures fairly cold, in the -teens actually in Shelburne, Upper Ohio, -13, Barrington, -8, Woodtower, -7, Sable River, the cold spot at -14, Pola Herbert looking at -13, Shag Harbor -7, Bear Point -7, and most of the areas are between -7 and -9 degrees, with a few areas being around -13 to -14, so a fairly cold night tonight. Looking at the futurecast now, taking us out over the next 48 hours here. As we go into Saturday morning, we'll see mostly clear skies through the rest of the night tonight as high pressure takes over. Those flurries now dissipating. We'll see clear conditions for tonight. Lots of clouds though will stick around along parts of the coast, and we'll see dry conditions persisting all the way into Saturday night into Sunday, and then we'll see increasing clouds Sunday afternoon ahead of our next weather system. Speaking of that weather system, here it is. Starting off on Sunday afternoon at 2 o'clock, we'll see dry conditions. But as we get into when we get to 5 o'clock Sunday evening, that's when we'll begin to see the rain and snow mix moving into parts of Maine, and then by 8 o'clock Sunday evening, we'll see rain, even some rain-snow mix along parts of the coast. Liverpool, Shelburne could see a couple of flurries along with Digby. And then by the time we get into the late evening hours on Sunday at 11 o'clock, we'll see rain spreading all over the Tri-County area, with mainland turning into rain and snow mix and snow to the western areas. And then everyone's in the rain as we get into the overnight hours on Sunday into Monday morning, and we'll see the rain beginning to taper off as we get into early Monday morning. And that should clear us out for lots of sunshine Monday afternoon, and we'll see more showers and wet snowflakes coming in as we get into Tuesday. Monday night into Tuesday is when we'll see our next chance of showers or flurries, but a quick break of some dry weather Monday afternoon and Monday evening. Winds will also be high. I'm just going to show you very quickly here the wind gusts as we get into Sunday. We'll start off Sunday afternoon. We'll see those winds right along the coast. They're beginning to gust upwards of 35 kilometers per hour, 35 to 40. But as we get into Sunday afternoon, we'll see those winds really picking up into the low to mid 50s. And then as we get into Sunday afternoon and Sunday evening, we'll see those winds gusts increasing to 60. And they'll just continue to increase as we get into Sunday evening, 69 kilometers per hour in Yarmouth by 8 o'clock. And then really ramping up the strongest here by Sunday, 11 o'clock at night, we'll see wind gusts of 80 kilometers per hour in Yarmouth, Clark's Harbour 74, Shelburne 67, Freeport looking at 92 kilometer per hour winds, 92 in Digby. And then as we get into Sunday at 2 a.m., Monday morning, we'll see 91 kilometer per hour winds in Yarmouth, 90 in Clark's Harbour, 87 in Shelburne, 101 in Freeport, 103 in Digby, 104 kilometers per hour in Middleton. We're talking very strong wind gusts between 90 and 110 kilometers per hour, damaging winds, and those winds will continue into early Monday morning as well. They'll begin to die down, but still gusting between 60 and 90 kilometers per hour early Monday morning and diminishing to 50 kilometers per hour by 8 o'clock Monday morning. So the strongest winds will be Sunday evening into very early morning Monday. Right along the coast here, we could see winds right on the extreme coast. Bridgewater, Liverpool, Shelburne, Clark's Harbour, parts of Yarmouth, coast and beaches, and then in towards Halifax and mainland Nova Scotia. You'll see winds persisting over 60 to 90 kilometers per hour early Monday morning to even in the afternoon hours. And areas of northern Nova Scotia will could even see those strong winds Monday night as well. Alright, let's take a look at the forecast now. Take a look at the forecast here for tonight. Taking out the hourly, midnight looking at a chance of flurries in -8. Partly clear skies at 3 o'clock and -8. Temperatures holding steady at 6 a.m. with mostly clear skies and -8. Sun and clouds by 9 a.m. and -5. And by noon time tomorrow, -3. If you're heading to school tomorrow, look at sun and clouds right through the whole school day. Temperatures on the cold side in the morning though at -8. By noon time, -3. And as the kids head on the bus to go home, looking at -1. For tonight, clearing overnight, cold with temperatures of -8, northwest wind 20 kilometers per hour. As we get into tomorrow, looking at sunshine, lots of it, breezy, 20% chance of precipitation, southwest winds at 30 kilometers per hour. And clear skies tomorrow, but warmer, refreshing at -2, winds southwest 15 kilometers per hour. And as you take a look at the weekend, we're looking at mostly cloudy skies and chilly on Friday at 0 degrees. Sunshine and chilly on Saturday and 0. Sun and clouds and seasonal temperatures on Sunday at +3. Take a look at the winter weather threats as we take a look at the Sunday storm. The biggest threat right now is the wind. The wind, the slick roads, and the rain is the biggest threat. And because the winds are going to be damaging, I am thinking of raising the threat level even higher to the maximum for wind. But very low threat for any snow and sleet. Take a look at the temperature tracker now. Below seasonal temperatures for Friday and Saturday at 0 degrees. The average is 3. We'll be there on Sunday. We'll be above average Monday with temperatures right around 6 degrees. And we'll fall back down on Tuesday at 3 degrees. We'll cool down a little bit even more on Wednesday before going back up again on Friday. Speaking of, here's my 7-day forecast. I have changed it a little bit since the 7 o'clock update. Looking at mostly cloudy skies on Friday, sunshine Saturday, sun and clouds on Sunday. 3 days of dry weather for the entire weekend with temperatures either side of freezing. Looking at the showers and thunderstorms for your Monday morning and 6 degrees. A few showers of freeze for Tuesday and 3 degrees, but look at that. Sunshine and mild temperatures return for Wednesday and Thursday. Mild on Thursday at 5 degrees, but the warmth doesn't stop there. It continues to get warm for Friday and beyond of next week. That is your Tri-County Weather Service 11 o'clock weather update. Brandon and Luke will have another update tomorrow morning. Have a great night.